Hey friends, if you encounter the microphone wizard error, make sure audio hardware is working properly, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, here's what you have to do before anything else. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, you can click on sound and make sure that the correct microphone is selected. For example, in my case, I have multiple microphones. One is an external microphone that I'm using right now, and the other one is an internal microphone. So just make sure that the correct microphone is selected here. This is the main solution. Post this, you can run the audio troubleshooter. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab, select troubleshoot in the right pane, scroll down and select troubleshoot, and then select other troubleshooters, and then click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. And the last solution will be to update the microphone driver. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Right click on the first one and update its drivers. Right click on the second one and update the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.